Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and anticipated events in the world of railways, the 2026 Flying Scotsman. If you're a train enthusiast or simply fascinated by engineering marvels, you're in for a treat. The Flying Scotsman isn't just a train, it's a living legend, a symbol of speed, elegance, and British heritage that has captivated generations. In 2026, this historic locomotive is set to make waves once again, and we're here to explore what makes this revival so special. The Flying Scotsman first steamed into history in 1923, and over the decades, it has become synonymous with luxury, innovation, and the romance of rail travel. Its reputation was built on breaking records and enchanting travelers with its sleek design and unmatched performance. Now, nearly a century later, the 2026 version promises to combine this classic charm with modern technology, offering an experience that bridges the past and the future. What makes the 2026 Flying Scotsman so exciting is its restoration and modernization. Engineers have meticulously preserved the original aesthetic, keeping the iconic green livery and signature brass fittings that fans around the world recognize instantly. But under the surface, there's been a significant overhaul. Advanced materials and engineering techniques have been used to ensure better efficiency, safety, and reliability, while still maintaining the authentic feel of a steam locomotive. This delicate balance between heritage and innovation is what makes the 2026 Flying Scotsman a marvel of modern railway engineering. The anticipation surrounding the Flying Scotsman's 2026 season is palpable. Fans, historians, and tourists alike are eagerly awaiting the first runs. There's a sense of nostalgia mixed with excitement because this train isn't just about moving from one place to another, it's about reliving an era when rail travel was an art form. Every detail, from the polished wood interiors to the rhythmic chug of the steam engine, is designed to transport passengers back in time while providing modern comforts. In addition to being a visual and sensory spectacle, the 2026 Flying Scotsman is expected to play a key role in promoting railway tourism across the UK. Its scheduled journeys will take passengers through some of Britain's most scenic landscapes, from rolling countryside to historic cities, giving travelers an unforgettable glimpse of the nation's beauty. Special events, exhibitions, and fan meetups are also planned, making it more than just a train ride, it's a full cultural experience. For enthusiasts, owning memorabilia or simply witnessing the Flying Scotsman in action is a dream come true. Social media is buzzing with previews, behind-the-scenes restoration footage, and interviews with the engineers who brought this legend back to life. The excitement is contagious, drawing attention not just from the UK but from train lovers around the globe. The 2026 Flying Scotsman is more than a train, it's a testament to human ingenuity, passion, and dedication to preserving history. Whether you're a lifelong railway fan or a casual traveler, experiencing this iconic locomotive is an adventure you won't forget. So, stay tuned, mark your calendars, and make sure you catch a glimpse of this historic masterpiece in action because the 2026 Flying Scotsman is ready to steam back into our hearts and onto the tracks of history.